In this video, we're going to learn 3 techniques on doing a ring pour. Welcome to the Learning Art with Mark YouTube channel. I'm Mark from learningartwithmark.com. To get right into it, in this video, we're going to try the ring pour, the traveling ring pour, and the kiss pour technique. So for the first step, after mixing our paints, we're going to go ahead and layer our paints into the cup like this. For our next step, we just need to pour the paint in the center of the canvas in small circles. Step 3 is the tilt. Before we do that, I'm going to put some more white around it though. As you do your tilting, you just want to try and make sure you keep your rings on the canvas. Unfortunately, when I thought I was recording, I wasn't, so I didn't get any footage of me doing this, but here are the results that I got for the basic ring pour. All right, so now that's just the first technique. Moving on to ring pour technique number 2, the traveling ring pour. So for the traveling ring pour, I'm going to use these colors, and they are mixed 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part medium. Okay, so this is going to be attempt number 2 at the traveling ring pour. The third type of pour we're going to try today is the kiss pour. For the kiss pour, you want to layer your paints in 2 different cups. One thing people like to do is doing cool colors versus warm colors. So I thought I would give that a try. We're going to pour it right in the center, and the idea is to make the streams touch or kiss each other and keep them touching as you pour both of them in the center at the same time. Okay, so now that we got our paint poured out on the canvas, I think I'm just gonna tilt it. I have to say, I think this one came out pretty nice. That's the kiss pour. Hey, thanks for watching. If you got any value out of this video and you want to see more content just like it, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.